Global warming is the long-term heating of Earth's climate system observed since the pre-industrial period, between 1850 and 1900, due to human activities, primarily fossil fuel burning, which increases heat-trapping greenhouse gas levels in Earth's atmosphere. The term is frequently used interchangeably with the term climate change, though the latter refers to both human and naturally produced warming and the effects it has on our planet.
The impacts of global warming are already being felt around the world, and they are only going to get worse if we don't take action. Rising sea levels are threatening coastal communities, extreme weather events are becoming more common, and temperatures are rising, leading to more heat waves, droughts, and floods. These impacts are already having a devastating impact on people's lives, and they will only get worse in the future.
There is still time to act on climate change, but we need to act now. We need to transition to clean energy sources, reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, and invest in adaptation measures to help communities cope with the impacts of climate change. If we don't act, the consequences will be catastrophic.
We are the only ones who can save our planet. We need to come together and work as one to address the climate crisis. We need to leave a better future for our children and grandchildren.